right here is making $200 per hour, $400,000 earned, 100% job success. This person making $100 per hour, 30K earned, 100% job success. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can be making money like this using Google certification. So if that's something you're interested in this channel, I'll teach you how to make money online. So if you're interested in videos like that, do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. So let's get right into it. So the link for this website is skillshop.withgoogle.com, and on this website you can receive Google certifications for free, guys, for free knowledge that you can use to start growing your business. So here are the different trainings or certifications you can get. You can get certifications with Google Ads, Google Marketing Platform, Analytics Academy, Google My Business, Google Manager, and more. So in this video, I'm just going to focus on Google Ads. I've already opened it up here, and you can get certifications and you can showcase your mastery of Google Ads by getting certified in search, display, videos, shopping ads, apps, and measurement. So when I open this, it comes to this website and shows you different certifications. So people have already reviewed this. There's a 4.8 for beginners, 4.8, 4.8, 4.4, sorry, this is 4.4, 4.8 beginners. So you can get various certifications after you've learned the basics. You apply your skills and get it certified. So the reason why we're getting certified with Google first is because it's free. The second reason is because we're going to showcase this on different marketing platforms where people are going to come to us for help. So on Google Ads display certification, I want to show you guys how it looks like. So Google Ads display certification, over 845 reviews, and 2.6, approximately 2.6 hours, and it's beginner level. And yeah, the description, translated vision, online marketing developed with Google display strategy. Here you have to prepare for the certification. It's optional, and you have after you prepare, you have to pass the assessment and get a certification. It's approximately 1.3 hours, and yeah, the things to learn: grow your business with Google Ads, 15 minutes, identify campaign types on Google Display Ads, 12 minutes, reach users on Google Display Ads, 15, increase efficiency with automated bidding, and more. So these are the various times that it's going to take, but all of them gets to 1.3 approximately 1.3 hours. So once you've learned everything, next step is to take your assessment. So get started. Next, it says knowledge check assessment. So if you want to start, you can just hit launch here, and it says what two main ad formats can be used in Google Display Ads campaigns. So you're going to be clicking all of them, but let me just try. I haven't taken the course before or even taken the assessment before. Let me just try. Select all the correct responses. There are 13 questions to get a certification for this Google Ads display certification. What two main ad formats can be used in Google Display Ads campaign? I think search and display. Let's see if it's right. Maybe it's gonna tell us at the end. Let me just take it to the end and see how well I do without taking any. I have just general knowledge about it. I haven't taken any course before. I haven't taken the assessment before. So I'm just doing this right in front of you guys so you can see which of the following are the benefits of using responsive display ads. Simplicity, reach, maybe, responsive. Let's see. Uploaded ads give advertisers access to more inventory than responsive display. So advertising with Google Ads start with creating campaigns based on business objective. Which campaign type would you pick for each of the following? So guys, I don't want to make the video long. If not, I would have shown you guys each of the options that I'm choosing or what I'm doing, but I don't want to make the video long, and we're just going to end it right here. Once we've got certified, we're going to go to platforms like Upwork. So on Upwork, you can see that this guy is making $200 per hour, guys. $400,000 earned, 100% job success, top rated. So what I did was I just searched for Google Ads, and here's the top ranking Google Ads expert on Upwork. So there are other high-ranking experts. This one is $100 per hour, 30K plus earned. And this is not the only website that you can go to. You can go to Fiverr. So I did a search for Google Ads on Fiverr and I found a bunch of people offering these services. So Fiverr's choice services that people love for superb work and delivery. So these are the pro verified ones here. They are starting at $140 and this one is $165. Next, another website you can go to is People Per Hour. So I also did a search for Google Ads Expert or just Google Ads itself, as you can see here, and I did a scroll, and the first people that popped up was this person here. Tom M is charging $52 per hour and has already had 98 projects with 5.0 success. So what do you think these people are doing? They're obviously showcasing their certificates. That's how you can stand out from your competition. When you have certification from Google, when you're Google certified, obviously people are going to trust you more because they know that you are certified, you know your work. So now take a look at this person here. She already has 3 orders in queue and it's on Fiverr's choice. I will offer one-on-one consultation with Google Ads specialists. So the basic is $140, 1 hour consultation, just consultation, guys. Then you have the standard 1 hour consultations, that is like 2 hours consultation for $220, and premium for $250 for consultation plus setting campaigns. So if she's gonna set up campaigns for you, you're gonna pay $250, and she already has 3 orders in queues, guys. So this shows you how people really want this. Some people don't want to set up their campaigns themselves because they don't know what they're doing and they don't want to waste money. So they're gonna come to places like Fiverr, come to places like Upwork, come to places like People Per App, and they're going to pay someone to do it for them. So we're getting this Google, you see here, Google Partner. So she said Google Partner. Google Partner Agency, 1 hour session, actionable recommendations. And this is the gig, and exceptional service vetted by our team. We verify each pro seller to make sure that they put out all their talents, expertise, and passion into their projects. So this is about the seller. So she's pro verified in social media marketing. So if you want to start in on Fiverr, you can verify yourselves on Fiverr. So she's pro verified in social media marketing, search engine marketing, social media advertising, marketing advice, and more. So and she also has a portfolio. On this portfolio, this is where you're going to add your Google certification that you get from Google Ads. For example, if you want to focus on Google Ads, you're going to take your certification and you're going to place it here on your portfolio. So when people click it like this, you can take a look at all the certifications. So guys, this is how it's very easy to make up to $200 per hour, getting free certification from Google Ads. You don't have to pay anything. You don't have to be an expert. Anyway, I'm going to teach you and you're going to become an expert in that niche. And you're going to put up your gig on Upwork. You're going to put your gig on Fiverr. You're going to put up your gig on People Per Hour, and you're going to start receiving. But if you want to go a top notch, if you want to be, if you want to get more gigs, you have to go to social media because that's where some people are. Some people will not necessarily come here to all these websites. They're going to go to social media and start searching. So you want to be everywhere. You want to be on Instagram. You want to be on Facebook. Set up your profiles right there and promote yourself, promote your certifications, put your certification out there, promote yourself, talk to people who want to collaborate with you, spread out the word about the services you offer, and you'll be receiving gigs as fast as possible and making money online as fast as possible. So guys, if you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about making money online, do also hit the subscribe button. Also hit the like button if you found this helpful, and also turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.